Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Thinking about rolling over your old 401k to an IRA at Fidelity. It's a really smart move for many people. You'll often gain access to a wider range of investment choices, potentially lower fees, and much greater flexibility with an IRA. Plus, consolidating your old retirement savings into one convenient place can make managing your financial future so much simpler and more cohesive. When moving your funds, you have two primary options: a direct rollover or an indirect rollover. A direct rollover means your money moves straight from your old 401k to your new Fidelity IRA without ever passing through your personal bank account. An indirect rollover involves you receiving a check, which then must be deposited into your new IRA within 60 days. For the smoothest process, and to avoid potential tax withholding or penalties, always choose the direct rollover. Ready to get started? Your first step is to open a new rollover IRA account with Fidelity if you don't have one already. Then, gather all the important details about your old 401k plan, including your account number and the administrator's contact information. The best part is, you don't have to do this alone. Simply contact Fidelity directly, and their dedicated rollover specialists will guide you through all the necessary forms and paperwork, making it remarkably straightforward. Once your forms are submitted, Fidelity takes over much of the heavy lifting. They will typically coordinate directly with your old 401k provider to initiate the transfer. The funds will then be moved, either electronically or via a check sent directly to Fidelity, into your new IRA account. This process usually takes a few weeks, so it's a good idea to regularly monitor your Fidelity account to confirm that your funds arrive safely and are fully invested. Congratulations, your 401k rollover is complete. Your first step now is to simply confirm that all your funds have arrived safely in your new Fidelity IRA account. Once confirmed, you can start choosing suitable investments that align perfectly with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Now, you can truly enjoy the consolidated view and added flexibility of managing all your retirement savings in one convenient place with Fidelity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.